For the Bongo love. Bongo love all the way from Zimbabwe. I want to thank you all for coming to support them out. We are doing the same thing. I'm from Zimbabwe, the music from Zimbabwe dance. This is Chinyakare. Let's give applause for Chinyakare. You don't have to be home to be welcomed. Everywhere is warm. So I'm so proud tonight to play for the Bongo love. They asked, Auntie Julia, can you help us with the performance at Ashkenaz on Thursday? I said, yeah, sure. I asked Chinyakare, and they said, yes, Mama J, we'll do it. So and we asked you guys, and you came out for us. So thanks for being here. Thank you so much for coming out. Thank you, Happy New Year. And we want to announce Johnonoh. This is Johnonoh, my brother from Zimbabwe. His birthday yesterday. And Power, our friend, who's here to all. Power, happy birthday, Power! And so, I mean, the music we do, Zimbabwean Music Day, is to celebrate life. You see, we were dancing with water, everybody needs water, that's life. So these birthdays is every day. We drink water, we share water when we do our ceremonies. We are people, but we are full of water. So this water was presenting the birthdays and the new year, everything we are going to look for 2015, water holds it all. You go to work, you get tired, you need some water. You go, you look for a job, you need some water. So that was the symbol of water, unity, and life. And the next piece we are going to do is praying for rain, even though it's raining, but the prayer never ends. Every day is a prayer. We live in a prayer. Amen. So this dance is praying for rain, blessing the seed. We are always every day. When you wake up, when you go to sleep, you always think about what you're going to do the next day. And in that day, you're always thinking, what is my next step? So your next step in all the thinking you do and planning your day, all the seeds you are planting to make your day, to make your life. So the dance is praying for rain, blessing the seeds before we plant. And we are not just speaking in Shona culture. The dance is the symbol of seeds. It means children, new family, you find a friend, everything. We do the seeds and water is in us. We live in it. So, and the song will be, it takes time to raise a child, but it's joyful to watch them grow. Like being with my brothers from home, Bongo love. I mean, their mothers are not here. My mother is not here, all the way in Zimbabwe. But we are raising each other, we are taking care of each other, including you coming out for us. You are representing all the people, the family who miss at home. We have to thank you because of you. You make this music powerful and so strong. It's because of you guys for coming out. So I thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy this next song.